And we watch Supercake from Philips Zachariadis from Apostolos Pavlos, Greece.
Hello everyone, my name is Phil, and this is a real chocolate cake. I'll not eat it on stage, of course. I will use it, though, to create a very interesting, super solid, right here in front of your eyes, on the stage. If you're familiar with Gabriel's horn, also known as storyteller's trumpet, you might know what I'm about to do. But for the rest, just watch. To begin with, I will cut this cake in half. Observe, I cut the cake. I did not eat anything from it, nor did I add anything to it. So its volume is the same. Nonetheless, its surface area has now increased. Look, while I cut the cake, now this area and this area are both uncovered, and they add up to the outside surface area of the total, and so it has become bigger. Next, I will cut the cake one more time, one of the two halves in half. And I'll continue with the same way, cutting again and again, forever theoretically. But I don't have much time, so I'll just stop here. Yeah, it takes forever. Now, all I need to do is stack the pieces of cake, one on top of the other, like this, and theoretically, as the pieces are infinite, this should be infinitely tall. What's interesting about this cake, though, is not that it's infinitely tall, but its mathematical proportion of volume to surface. With the same finite volume, it has got an infinite surface. I can still eat the cake, there's no problem with that. But I can no longer put icing on it, because I would need an infinite amount of that, which is just too expensive. Yeah. Okay. As I said before, though, I didn't have enough time to cut all of these pieces infinitely, because it is an infinite amount of tasks required for something like this. I would never finish while I'm still alive. There's only one way, though, to do this within a finite amount of time. To turn it into super task. That is, well, I will have at the same time a deadline for the cake. Let's say I'll make it in 1 minute and work at an accelerating pace. Say, I'll first cut the cake, wait half a minute, cut again, wait half of what I waited at every previous step doing this. So cutting faster and faster until when the deadline is reached, no matter how many cuts I've done, I will have done all of them. Cool, right? Nonetheless, of course, as long as I'm done with it, well, it's not infinite. Infinite means unending, and as long as I'm ended, it's not infinite, unfortunately. But one thing to say, if anyone ever really makes a super task, infinite amount of tasks in a finite amount of time in real life, there'll be a Superman for me. Thank you for your attention.
It's obvious that you are a very good actor, excellent actor, and you proved us that you are a good mathematician. Also, I'm impressed by your presentation with your language, your English, so very good presentation, excellent. Thank you very much.
Okay, Philip, it was really an original approach of considering this relation and move to infinity, and also I was impressed by the clarity of your expression. Thank you.
Thank you.